Hello and welcome to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in today's Wix tutorial I'll show you how to open the Wix Editor from your dashboard. Let's dive in. So you've logged into your site and you find yourself here in the dashboard. If by any chance you find yourself here on the home page, simply go to the left hand menu and click here, Setup. And it'll bring you to this page. So from the setup page in the dashboard, look down here and you will see design your site should be crossed out because we've already chosen our template. Go to the right hand side here where it says edit site and click on that. Now this will take a few moments to load as your site is preparing this template to be edited. There we have it, ready for editing. That's it for today's tutorial. In the next video we'll begin the editing process and I'll show you first how to rename your site. This is the Online Force and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.